Imagine you could spend money without anyone knowing who you are. No transaction history, no personal data leaked. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you this dream is already a reality? Enter Beam Wallet. We live in an age where privacy is becoming a luxury. Every online transaction, every credit card swipe leaves a digital footprint. But what if you could reclaim your financial privacy? That's where Beam Wallet comes in. Beam is a cryptocurrency that prioritizes privacy. Unlike Bitcoin, where every transaction is public, Beam transactions are shielded. This means no one can see who sent what to whom. It's like having a secret envelope for your money. But how does it work? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Let's break it down. Beam uses a technology called Mimblewimble. Now, before you start thinking about Harry Potter, let me explain. Mimblewimble is a complex cryptographic protocol that allows for private and efficient transactions. It's like magic for your money, but with math. At the core of Beam is the wallet. Think of it as your personal vault for your Beam coins. You can send, receive, and store your Beam securely. But it's not just about storing coins. Beam Wallet offers a range of features to enhance your experience. You can create multiple addresses, each with its own unique public key. This adds another layer of privacy to your transactions. You can also use Beam to make purchases online and offline. Some merchants are starting to accept Beam as a payment method, and the number is growing. But what about security? Your Beam coins are protected by robust cryptography. The wallet uses advanced security features to safeguard your funds. However, as with any digital asset, it's essential to practice good security habits. Keep your wallet backed up, use strong passwords, and be wary of phishing attempts. Now, you might be wondering, isn't privacy a double-edged sword? Can it be misused? It's a valid concern. While Beam prioritizes privacy, it doesn't support illegal activities. Just like cash, Beam can be used for both legal and illegal purposes. But the technology itself is neutral. Beam is a relatively new cryptocurrency, and it's still developing. The ecosystem is growing, with more and more businesses accepting Beam and developers building applications on the Beam platform. So, is Beam Wallet the future of finance? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear, it's a fascinating project that challenges the status quo and offers a glimpse into a future where financial privacy is a reality. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.